There she is in the factory in all our glory in the daytime. So we just finished our second time for the tour through the factory. Even better the second time. A bunch of stuff changed, a bunch of new stuff. They're currently doing the Golf 8, the Golf 8 variant, and the Tiguan, and it's just the process of watching the car go from just a piece of metal to complete car is so cool. Now unfortunately we can't actually film into the factory for the tour, but you can watch it online for a virtual tour, which is probably just as cool. Now this is actually today's second video of the day. Went to the museum this morning hoping to see the A59, and sadly it was not there. Now we're at the Autostadt, and the Zeithaus is behind this. Hoping to see the car here. I was told it's not actually here, but I'm trying to be hopeful and still possibly see the car. Either way though, the Autostadt, the Zeithaus is still an amazing thing in itself. Tons of beautiful cars, so I'm excited nonetheless. My friends, we are back again in the Zeithaus. Last time I was here, the store stopped like there, and all of this was the cars from Brazil, like the SB2, the Brasilia. They had a bus, and now they changed it a little bit. And here we are. Like I said, I would love to see the A59. I don't think it's here, but there's still a great deal of just epic cars here. So we'll go to the very top, work our way down and see everything per floor. Right there I can see the W12-650. That car is amazing. There's stuff over there. Just a cool place, just a really cool place with tons of awesome history and cool cars preserved. Okay, quick pause in the cinematics. I saw this car last time I was here, but to see it again, it just blows me away every single time. This Golf Country they have here in the red is absolutely incredible. This thing is just mint condition, front to rear, top to bottom. Every bit of this car is amazing. Yeah, if I ever buy a Golf Country, I would love to have it in the red. I'm not picky, I'll take any of them, but if I had a choice, the red on the Country just looks perfect. Okay, back to cinematics. Hi, I'm interrupting one more time because we have ourselves another truly amazing car to see in person. The GTI W12-650. I've seen it before, but now I'm seeing it again. I'm noticing things I didn't notice last time. Massive brakes in the front. They're actually running a spacer, probably 25 mil looks like. And in the rear, it's a custom Detroit because you can see how concave the wheel actually is. And they actually have a dual caliper set up in the rear. Really cool. I mean, this thing is just, it's crazy wide. Engine's back here in the back. Oh, I can show you better from the other side. This thing is really cool. Show you the bucket seats, exposed hardware on the e-brake. You can see the rear mounted engine, fans back over there. So cool. W12-650 bi-turbo. Look at the rear of this car. Incredibly wide. Something you'd say to like Need for Speed, honestly. The whole back end is like molded as one. And actually this piece is cool too. How it kind of like sits down in here and comes out. I'm not sure, I don't think this back opens at all. Could be wrong, but I'm not seeing, maybe it does, maybe it folds, no, I don't know. I'm not sure how you get to the engine at all from this side, but such a cool car to see in person. So that is the Zeithaus in 2022. Sadly, as you guys saw, no A59. Still tons of really cool cars, but I'm after one single car and I can't seem to find it. But still, very cool experience. We wanted to go on these metal slides, but it's currently closed. Look how cool the factory looks from the side though. The sun coming in. It's just a very beautiful place, and everything here looks so modern and unique, and how they did all the designs. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling a bit defeated. I wanted to see that car so bad, but like nobody seems to know where this car is at. I was talking to Jamie Orr a little while ago. He's not sure the car is at. He was actually just at Volkswagen Classic Parts private warehouse maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and the car wasn't there, and he's not sure where the car is at. So no one really seems to know where the car is at. It's like the most elusive single car I've ever tried to see ever. And like I said, no one ever seems to know where it's at. The closest information I got today was that the owner of Classic Parts has it in his private storage, and it might be there, but we can't confirm that or not. I know the car went to SMS a while back to be recommissioned, and it goes to like events and press releases and that kind of stuff, but like where the car's at now, I have no clue. There is the Conrad Smith dealership that's like 4.5 hours south of here. There's like 2 A59s, the original one and the second one that has like the air ducts in the back corner of the car. I think that one might still be at the Conrad Smith dealership, possibly, but that's still hard to confirm as well. But wherever the A59 is, I don't know. It's somewhere I'm still trying. We have today and part of tomorrow. I'm trying to reach out to anybody and anybody. Somebody has to know where this car is at. Like, someone's gotta know. Like I said, we still have today and half tomorrow, so we might get lucky. I'm also trying to possibly get an invite to go see Volkswagen Classic Parts private warehouse, which is kind of hard to get into, but if you get an invite, you can go see it, like for like a private tour, but that may or may not happen. But I did reach out just to possibly get lucky and see what happens, because they have a whole bunch of really cool cars there as well. But again, the A59 is not there. Just it's somewhere. It's one day we will see that car in person. I'm hoping it's today or tomorrow, but it might not be. So sadly, still no updates for the A59, but we got scooters and there's a pump track So we're kind of going through, just cruising around Wolfsburg, do some car spotting, some stuff like this. Here, George, give me a lap. Let me see.
Yeah, I got you.
But don't die. I'm also pretty sure you shouldn't be doing this, but you know, it is what it is. It's actually really cool that I have a truck out here.
Not to be scared.
You be careful. Yep, yeah, exactly that. Exactly that. You get down.
I'm gonna start over here. I'm just gonna start over here.
Nicely done.
That's good. That's good.
It's cool to spot. So I said we're gonna go cruise around Wolfsburg, try and find some cars. Cool if the A5 now just cruise around, that'd be dope, but don't think that's gonna happen. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go around your side. All right, catch up. And go. Oh.
Whoa, big leap from King.
Take the high line. Oh, we're coming back. Come on. Oh. Oh, I got more power, we're coming back. Oh, I have like power surges that come in and out.
Oh, I don't know if I can do this one.
Oh my gosh. Saw this earlier today. Really nice purple Scirocco. Dang, that color is beautiful. And it has this cool like checkered seats in it. Yeah, I'm not sure what this color is, but if I had a Scirocco, it would be in that color right there. Yo, Mark 7R variant. This is it. This is it right here. Got the brakes on her. I love the black. The silver wheels match the mirror caps, matching the roof rails. Yo, this thing is insanely clean. Whew. I need me an R wagon. God, that is so good, and the black is so mean. If this is your car, killing it. Quick photo session with the variant in front of the factory. That's such a cool shot. Today is officially our last day here in Wolfsburg, and sadly, very sadly, our hunt for the A59, it's over. I actually messaged Classic Parts directly. I said, hey, like, I'm trying to see this car. Do you know where it's at? They said the car is no longer at their facility. I said, well, do you know where the car is possibly at? If I could see it, they said, it is not possible to see the car. They said, no. So, unfortunately, no A59. Like I said, I think there's a second one at the Conrad Smith dealership, but it's like 4.5 hours south of here. So to try and go there, and then another 3.5 hours to go back home, it's too much driving. We don't have the time. So yeah, I wanted to see the A59, the only car I wanted to see here, but they said it's not possible. So I do think it's somewhere relatively close by in someone's collection or stored somewhere, but we don't have access to it. Now, there is something happening in the background that you guys will probably hear about later this year, but as of this time in Wolfsburg, right here, right now, no A59. No A59, but a wild Passat R36. You regret not buying one of those, sir.
I just was saying that. I was like, man.
That was like the exact thing you were gonna buy. But this is beautiful. This is sick too. But I don't know, the 36. God, it's a beautiful car. All right, now we go home. Little cabbie?
That's Suzuki.
I don't know what color that is, honestly. never get tired of this view. So, as you can see, officially back in the hotel room, back in Ramstein. The Wolfsburg trip was awesome. Great way to end our time here in Germany, because tomorrow we're leaving. Right there in that airport, we are flying out of Germany. We'll come back eventually, but for a good while, we'll be out of here. So definitely an awesome way to spend our last few days here in Germany. Still sad that I could not see the A59, the one car that I wanted to see. I'm not giving up. We'll be back, and I will see that car eventually. And again, there's something kind of behind the scenes in the works currently that you guys will hear about later on. But like I said, as for this trip right here, right now, no A59. Still definitely an amazing trip. Got to see a bunch more of Wolfsburg. So many amazing cars. Just overall, great trip. But I'm gonna end this one here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget, be thankful for every single day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.